Imagine all the things you can do beyond your window. Right in your own backyard, your front stoop, or even your balcony. Let's explore just how far your imagination can take you. Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Jessica, the Early Growers Manager and Educator at City Blossoms. I want to ask you all a question. How do you celebrate Earth Day inside? Well, you know what? There are lots of ways, especially when you're still and listen to what the earth needs. And right now, the earth needs us more than ever. So because it's super important for all of us, family and friends, to stay home and stay inside, I want to help by sharing with you through this space a series of weekly short videos, clips, and tips of how my son and I explore our imagination through our indoor and outdoor activities, nature play, crafts, read alouds, and maybe even more backyard adventures. So please continue to check in here for more Early Growers Nature Play updates, tips, and clips through distance learning exploration.